Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing some builder gel. We're going to be using this beautiful builder gel by Sundara Nails called Starry Night, and it's a beautiful iridescent blue shimmer builder gel, and it's super pretty. And check out all that sparkly goodness. It is so pretty, and I really like when it hits the light. And then we're going to finish up the builder gel today with the Winter Glow. This is a glow-in-the-dark top coat, and it glows in the dark blue. And I really like the combination of the shimmer builder gel and then the glow-in-the-dark top coat. We're also going to be using the gel base today. So to start, before I start using builder gel, I like to go ahead and use a lint-free wipe with alcohol in it to remove any extra oil that may be on my nail. This will just help with the longevity of the application. And again, this method is what works best for me. Before I go in with the builder gel application, I always start out by using a layer of gel base. This just really helps with the application and longevity of my builder gel. I have tried using builder gel before without placing a base coat on it first, and I did have a lot of problems with peeling. So I do find that I get a better longevity wear without peeling when I do use a base coat first. And I do really like the Sundara Nails base coat. It's a very, very thin consistency, and the brush on the base coat and on the top coat are really awesome. I really like how it fans out. So then after I go ahead and have that base on the nails, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. And then the fun part, it's time to dive into that builder gel. And you can see that the consistency of the builder gel is definitely thicker than the gel base that we were using prior. So right now I'm gently hovering that product all over the entire nail. I'm doing it with a very light hand, and I'm just trying to coat the entire nail. And then once I have it exactly kind of where I want it, I will go ahead and apply the builder gel really close to the cuticle and fan it all out, and that's what really works best for me. I find that if I hover it over the nail like you see here first in those circular motions, I get a really nice application. And remember, builder gel is self-leveling, and then I just go ahead and then fan the rest of that builder gel out. And Sundara Nail builder gel is really user-friendly. I've had the best success with the Sundara Nails builder gel, and I really like the shimmer builder gel because of two reasons. Well, first of all, it's really pretty, and I love anything glitter. If you haven't figured that out already, I do love playing with glitters, especially when it comes to like dip powders. But it's very forgiving on the nail. So if you have like any enhancements on your nails, like jelly tips or anything like that, and you have like an air bubble or anything, the shimmer will really make your nails look flawless because it's going to kind of cover up any areas of imperfection, and it just gives your nails a really nice, beautiful shimmer. Now, the shimmer of Starry Night is very subtle. It's not too overpowering, so that's another reason why I like it. It's just a very, per se, like an elegant shimmer, and it's super pretty. And builder gel is just a nice touch to enhance my jelly tips, just an extra layer of protection. And you will notice here that I'm only doing one layer of builder gel. I only like to use one layer of builder gel when I am doing it on top of my jelly tips. So right now I am satisfied with how that builder gel looks, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and place my hand upside down for a few seconds just to get that builder gel all leveled where it needs to be. And then once I'm satisfied with that, I will go ahead and cure that for about 60 seconds. Now, I did speed that process up. I had my hand up facing upside down like that, flat, for about 30 seconds before I cured it. So then to finish up this builder gel process, since that builder gel is sticky, I'm going to go in with a top coat, and I'm choosing to use a glow-in-the-dark top coat. You totally don't have to, but I really like glow-in-the-dark top coat, and it's just a fun way to enhance your manis because even though you cannot see the shimmer when I have dip powders on my nails, you can still see the glow come through the dip powder, which is super awesome. So it's kind of like a bonus kind of mani. I feel like that at night when I'm sleeping, I can still check out my hands and they're glowing in the dark. It's just something that I like. It's a personal preference, and it glows in the dark blue, which is super awesome. But I really like the glow in the dark top coat. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then that is it. That is how I place my builder gel on top of my jelly tips. I really like how subtle this shimmer is. It's very, very pretty. Now, before I go ahead and do any dip powder, I do file and buff to make it more of a dull finish. But it still does give me that glow in the dark effect, and I do not cut into any of those beautiful glitters in that builder gel. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below. If you tried any of Sundara Nails builder gels, let me know what colors are your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.